Hello friends, welcome back to our Tsinfo YouTube channel. This is Ganesh Yadav. In this video, we are going to discuss how to delete a SharePoint Online Team site. First of all, open your SharePoint Online Team site which you want to delete. Yes, a site administrator and site owners can delete an exiting SharePoint Online Team site. Once we delete a SharePoint Online Team site, all the data like subsite, contents, list items and document library will be deleted from the respective sites. When the site owner or site administrator delete the SharePoint team site, it will be restored in the delete site for 93 days. And after 93 days of retention period, it will be deleted automatically and permanently. So the site owners or site administrator can restore the team site before the retention period as well. Now I will show you exactly how to delete a team site. For that, click on the gear icon and select site information. Here click on the delete site option. Once click on the delete site option, it will ask a confirmation window like delete Microsoft 365 groups. Here click on the checkbox and click on the delete option. Now see, our team site is removed. And similarly, you can also delete the SharePoint team site from the SharePoint admin center. For that, click on the app launcher and select admin and click on the SharePoint admin center. Here click on the active sites and select respective SharePoint Online Team site which you want to delete. Then click on the delete option and click on delete option. Yes, our finance team site is deleted. And as I already mentioned about, the site owners or site administrator can restore the deleted SharePoint team site within 93 days. Else it will be deleted automatically and permanently. For that, click on the deleted site and here select the respective site like finance and click on the restore option. Once click on the restore option, it will ask a confirmation window like restore Microsoft 365 group. Then click on the restore option. And see, here our team site is restored. Yes, this is all about how to delete a SharePoint Online Team site. I hope guys you like this video. To give a like and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more free videos on SharePoint Online. Thank you.